Hey everybody, another update video on the Mustang Rustang. On the last update, we cut the springs to see if the car would settle down. So yeah, this is my 1965 Mustang Fastback, and you can see now that the car is sitting pretty much level, maybe a little up in the front end, but before it was sitting at an angle like this. It looked like a gasser totally. So cutting the full rung out of the springs on each side brought this thing down a good inch to inch and a half, and it looks so much better now. We are able to align the front ends. The control arms are about where they're supposed to be. We still don't have tags on, so we really haven't driven it, and we only have one seat in it. And we still need to clean this mess up in here and put the carpet back in and do something about the dash. We were going to take and eliminate the dash. We still are debating on whether we should do that or not. All right, but there's a real quick one. Yeah, we cut a full rung out of the springs, and now if you notice, the wheel and the wheel opening there is about the same as the wheel opening there. So, all right, everybody, thanks a lot for watching. Hey, and also go to my playlist on YouTube, G Automotive and More on YouTube. Go to the playlist. There are a crap load of videos on this car. There is our new project car, the Mad Mustang. We have that one we're working on. So please go check out my channel and go check out all the videos on this one right here. All right, everybody. Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that in that corner there. Please give me a thumbs up if you like the Mustang videos.